Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be posting this on YouTube, and I am going to be showing you how to make a slime house. And the one who's going to be living here today is our little cute patootie. And she's a little monkey. She has little monkey ears, a banana hat, and a little tail. And I will get the slime just one moment. We are going to be using unicorn slime. It is maybe different than your guys' slimes at home. If you have slime at home, it's really wobbly. See? Really wobbly. Maybe you guys had this slime before. I do not know, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a slime house. Something else will be coming in later that is actually something that you guys might like. And so, it's really fun to just have your relaxing time by just playing with your own stuff. And I couldn't find the slime anywhere, but it was right underneath me every time I slept. And so that's how it turned out to be. And then today I was like, I found it right here. And they were just like, God, great. I said quiet, not buy it. I hate that rhymes though, but. Finally, you don't want class. Yeah, I'll just set that to the side for right now. So, for this little monkey here, I'm going to show you how to make a slime chair. So, if you get one of these from McDonald's, just look on the menu and say pick me pop. So, you put a little slime in. You put a little slime in the little thing, and there you have it, folks, a little slime chair. And, so I just loved doing this when I was a little kid, so I just laid something down, like, I did this with Shopkins a lot, and I just covered them over, and I pretend that I was in a video, like I am in a video. And so we're gonna take this plastic bottle again. And I'm gonna show you how to make a drink bottle. You put a little slime in the cap, and there you have it. He's drinking forever. So he's gonna be drinking forever while I get the next thing ready. This is a little hard, but if you have the slime, you can try and just make sure it's thin enough to get into the cap. See? You can't do it, otherwise it will just blob all over you. If it's nice and calm and it's the perfect shape, delete that. Don't say and tell, no, don't delete it, for real. Don't delete you guys. Don't delete you guys, okay? Please, please, please don't delete. Don't press the delete button. And so, we're gonna, this is going to be our refrigerator, you guys, okay? And so, you just put the slime in. And so here's her bed. We want to save some slime for the bed. Just gonna bowl a little food. She's gonna be sleeping on food. No, I don't want to be sleeping on food.
How much
Just
longer? The video's it's 5 minutes.
And so she's gonna be sleeping on food. Just kidding. That was me talking. So yeah. So I'm gonna just put that right there, and I'm gonna get that stuff out so she can sleep. And so I will be showing you guys how to play with it. You guys might know how to play, but you guys might not how to play this game. So it might be a little weird that you already know me and that, but I'm going to be showing you how to play because I'm a little nervous too. So this is the girl who's going to be coming to her house, and she eat the little one, but her puppy's going to stay, and she did it at the same time. So we want to make sure that you're gonna want to scoot that back stuff a little. I can't scoot this back. Well, maybe I can. I'll just redo it. I don't like redoing stuff. It's like my parents always tell me what to do. Don't listen to me, cause that you guys do it. I don't do that. I'm a bad girl. So I will be showing you guys. So as you can see, there's a hole to put the pups in, and then you close it. Open and close. The wheels. No, not the wheels go open and close. The door goes open and close, open and close. Okay. Hello. Are you gonna eat me? Are you sure? Are you gonna eat me? No, I am not. I would just like to have a place for my two little... She just did it one. What is wrong with you? My two little pups. Oh, they can sleep in my bed. Okay. Look at that. It's like two little... Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Drink up. Go, go, go. And I'm just going to rest right here. Okay, I'm going to sit in my chair. Hey, what are you doing, guys? I want my own privacy. I'm falling over. I'm just gonna take a shower. Why isn't the shower coming out? Ah, it's bonking me. Why do you have a slime shower? What? It's slime. It's only slime. It's only slime. So I will just, so I'm gonna do some, hey, I thought you said you weren't gonna eat me. Well, I Milton, I said I was gonna eat you, okay? No, you didn't. Guys, this video is almost over. I'm gonna do 2 more minutes, then you guys are gonna need to go off. So, as you can see, that I am a little munchkin and I'm a monkey. What? Absolutely not. Hey, no throw up in my house. I'm gonna need to push you out of here. So, you guys, thanks for watching my video. It was a pleasure to meet all of you guys. Now I need to get going because I got more stuff to do. And so, get slime. My parents do not let you use slime. Get slime. Don't listen to your parents. Listen to your parents. Bye.